Imagine this. You're in the heart of the city when suddenly chaos erupts. Riots, emergencies, unexpected dangers. It's a nightmare scenario, but are you prepared? Today we're diving into survival strategies for city riots and emergencies. Stay tuned. This information could save your life. First things first, awareness is key. Always stay informed about what's happening around you. Use social media, news outlets, and emergency apps to keep up to date with the situation. In the face of danger, your first instinct might be to join the crowd, but that could lead to more trouble. Instead, stay calm, think clearly, and avoid getting swept up in the chaos. Remember, your safety is paramount. If you find yourself in a riot, try to stick to the edges of the crowd. Stay away from glass windows and avoid confrontation. If you're driving, avoid roads with heavy traffic and always have a backup route. Your vehicle is a valuable asset. Use it wisely. Preparation is crucial. Have an emergency kit ready with essentials like food, water, first aid supplies, and a multi-tool. And don't forget a mask to protect against tear gas. Lastly, communication is vital. Have a plan with your loved ones on where to meet if you get separated and ensure everyone knows the plan. Surviving in a city riot or emergency is all about staying informed, staying calm, and staying prepared. Remember, your safety is the ultimate goal. We hope you found this video informative. Stay safe, stay prepared, and remember, knowledge is your best defense. For more survival strategies and tips, be sure to visit our website at thesavvysurvive.com. We're dedicated to helping you stay safe in any situation. Remember, knowledge is power, and we're here to empower you.